yours.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put the ball in front of him.
Good slap shot, Jack. Look at him playing with it. Hit it with the stick. Good boy. Good boy.
Like this, Jack.
Thanks, that Cal. Let him try. Give him the stick back. See if he can do it.
Get back. Up.
You try it.
Get back. Get back. I just need to get his
Give
hand.
it to his other hand. He's got his other hand out there.
Get back. Get back. Appa. Hold the ball. Wait, hold the stick, Jack. Hold the stick, Jack, like this. Hold the stick.